What's up, guys? We're on a tiki craze lately. So today we're making banana tiki cocktails. We're gonna make 3 awesome cocktails using my homemade banana liqueur. We made it last year, August last year, almost a year ago, and it's still going strong. These are 3 banana tiki cocktails, and they're gonna be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that button, hit that bell, get notified when we release new content. All right, we're gonna get things started. Here we got some dark rum, some overproofed, and our banana liqueur. This is the Naked Ape. This one comes to us from Smuggler's Cove, my favorite tiki book, favorite cocktail book, really. We're starting with 1.5 ounces of black rum. I'm using Gosling's Black Seal rum, 1.5 ounces. After that, we want a light overproofed rum. We're using Wray and Nephew. I love this. I mean, this is actually what I use to infuse the banana liqueur. Yeah, it's got such an amazing flavor to it, and it's overproofed. It's about 64%, 67, not sure. But yeah, great rum, but use any overproof you got. After that, we're going to our banana liqueur. Make sure you click that link, check out that recipe. And we're doing 1/2 ounce here. Now this is real fresh banana liqueur, not that neon yellow disgusting stuff. Use the good banana liqueur. All right, so if you got a good quality banana liqueur, or if you want to make your own, follow my recipe. After that, 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. That's homemade as well. It's basically a demerara syrup, but we infuse some cinnamon sticks in there. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Now, most tiki drinks, most rum drinks use lime juice, but this one here, lemon. And 2 dashes of Angostura. All right, we're looking good. We're gonna add some crushed ice to this one here, flippy move, and then we're going to give it a quick whip shake. Doesn't have to be too long. We are serving this guy in a fancy tiki mug. I love these, they're so heavy though. It's a heavy tiki mug. Topping off with some crushed ice. We're gonna go pretty special with the garnish here. We're gonna do a dehydrated lime wheel, a nice sprig of fresh mint, and we have a cinnamon stick that we're gonna toast with our torch. It's gonna get those kind of char the outside of the cinnamon bark and get those nice cinnamon aroma around the drink. It's gonna be beautiful. And there it is, guys, the Naked Ape. So good. I've had this one before, so this is not new to me, but such a good drink. Let's move on. Smith & Cross, Dorado 3, got some Chambord. This is the Rum Runner. Found this one on Difford's Guide, and we're gonna give it a try. So we're gonna start with 1 ounce of Smith & Cross Jamaican rum. This is my favorite rum. I just recently got a couple more bottles. It was hard to find, but now I don't have to ration it anymore. After that, we want 1 ounce of lightly aged rum. I'm going to use Dorado 3-year-old Demerara rum. Again, these are the rums that the recipe calls for, but at the end of the day, use whatever rum you have available. And then 1 ounce of our banana liqueur. So far, we're equal parts on this drink. Oop. Drop the jigger. All right, banana liqueur done. After that, now, recipe does call for a Blackberry Liqueur, a Crème de mûre. If you can find that, use that. The Giffard makes a Crème de mûre, but I don't have that, and one of these days I will make some. But in the meantime, I'm going to use Chambord, which is a black raspberry liqueur. It'll work just fine. Full ounce of lime juice goes in next. We're going to follow that up with 1/2 ounce of grenadine. This is store-bought grenadine. I don't make my own grenadine because I don't use a lot of grenadine. It's not a syrup I use very often, so making my own would just be a waste. So, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. That'll cap off this drink. Look at that color. Bright red. And for this one here, I am going to use my drink mixer. But if you wanted to, you could just shake this with crushed ice. We're gonna go the drink mix route, mainly because it's got the pineapple juice. It's gonna give it a nice foam, nice froth. We're serving it in a hurricane or a Poco Grande glass. We're gonna garnish with some pineapple fronds because it's got pineapple in it. And how about some nice cherries because it's got that red color in it. Gorgeous. Look at that. The Rum Runner. All right, we will taste this one. I've never had this one before, but first we need to move on to our final drink, which is it's got some rum balbacool, got some agricole, some cognac. This is the Fay Wray. I first saw this one on Steve the Bartender's cocktail channel. We're gonna start with 3/4 ounce of rum balbacool. This is from Haiti, I think. Yes. It's from Haiti. After that, we want 3/4 ounce of cognac. I'm using Courvoisier, my favorite cognac. Any cognac you've got, even a brandy would work fine. After that, 3/4 ounce of our Banana Liqueur, the star of the show. So far, we're all equal parts, so it's an easy recipe to remember. All right, looking good. Last of our equal part ingredients will be our 3/4 ounce of lime juice. So grab the lime bottle there. 3/4 ounce again. After that, we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. That is a 2-to-1 Demerara syrup. And finally, the last ingredient will be 1/4 ounce of a rum agricole. This is the idea here is to give it that kind of grassy, funky, earthy note that is synonymous with rum agricole. The St. James, while it's a good rum, I don't find it has a strong kind of grassy note, so I'm not sure if it's going to work out as well. And the last ingredient is kind of weird here is a lime wedge, which we're going to squeeze and then add to the shaker as we shake. I guess the idea here is not only are we going to get lime juice, but we're going to get lime oils as we shake that drink. Quick whip shake, and we're going to serve this guy in a rocks glass. All right, just dump it in there. Nope, the lime didn't go in. Oh well. And top off with crushed ice. We're going to garnish with a mint sprig. We're going to straw. We're also going to do a banana slice, but we're going to torch it. We're going to put a little bit of sugar on there. We're going to torch it, give it a little bit of a brulee top. It's going to be awesome. The nice aromas, but it's also going to taste delicious. Nice snack. All right, and there it is, our nice brulee banana slice. We're going to slide that into the drink. And there it is, the Fay Wray cocktail. All right, so looks awesome. We've got our 3 drinks now. Let's give them a taste, shall we? I'm looking forward to this. This is the best part of the experience here. Now, the Naked Ape, I already know I love this one. And oh, that's so good. The black rum, the banana, the cinnamon, everything works so well together in this drink. It's so refreshing. Make yourself a Naked Ape. It's such a good drink. Guarantee you that's number 1. I don't think these other 2 are going to beat it. All right, the Rum Runner. That's very refreshing, although the banana it's present. I get it, but it's kind of taking a back seat. Surprisingly, even the Smith & Cross is kind of it's there, but it's taking a back seat in this one because the pineapple, the grenadine, that's all that those other strong flavors are kind of taking over. It is refreshing, but not my favorite. And here we have the Fay Wray. That's good. Like I said, I don't think I'm getting the agricole as much as I'd like, but the other rums are good. It's very citrusy. I don't know if it really needs that lime wedge in there. With 3/4 ounce of lime juice, it's a fairly citrusy drink. I do get the banana, but it is kind of overly citrusy for me. All right, let's rate them. Number 1, Naked Ape. Can't go wrong with that. Number 2, I'm going to give it to the Rum Runner. It's good. And number 3, I'm going to give it to the Fay Wray. Again, all these were fine. They're great drinks. That's just the order I gave them. But the Naked Ape is spectacular. That's definitely a tiki drink that I will be making again and again. It's probably among my top 5 tiki drinks. So make that one. It's amazing. All right, there you go, guys. 3 tiki drinks using banana liqueur. Use your own banana liqueur. Or if you want to make your own, follow my recipe. And that's it. We'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.